Welcome back all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have learned the information about sedimentary rocks. We have already learned that there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, after that sedimentary rocks, and last one metamorphic rocks. We have already learned the information about igneous rocks. Okay. And in the previous video, we have learned about sedimentary rocks. Into that previous video, we have learned how do these sedimentary rocks form. We have seen that change in the temperature, action of wind and action of water break down the small particles of the rocks, break down the rocks, and those small particles or small fragments are called as what? Sediments. Okay, we have already learned that changes in the temperature, action of wind and action of water break down the rocks into small fragments or sediments, and these sediments such as clay, sand, okay, marbles, these small particles or these small sediments are carried out by the wind and water and deposited into the water bodies. And what happened there? The layer of rocks formed, and this formed layer of the rocks are called as sedimentary rocks. Means simply we can say sedimentary rocks are made up of what? Sediments or fragments. Means sediments form the sedimentary rocks. My dear students, there are some 4 examples of sedimentary rocks. There are 4 examples of sedimentary rocks. Which are those? Sandstone. After that, limestone. After that, shale, and last example of sedimentary rock is conglomerate. So these are some of the examples of sedimentary rocks: sandstone, limestone, shale, and conglomerate. These are some of the examples of sedimentary rocks. Now we have to see their information one by one. Now first of all we will see the information about sandstone. Okay, what are the sandstone now? Look at here now. These are some of the examples of sedimentary rock. Now we have to see the information about sandstone. Okay, sandstones are composed of sand and quartz grain. Okay, these sandstones are composed of sand and quartz grain. Okay, means sandstones are composed of sand and quartz grain. Quartz grain means these two things are present in this sandstone, sand and quartz. Actually, what happened? How do these sandstone form? Small particle of sand. Okay, small particle of sand. It get compressed. Small particle of sand. It get compressed due to the high pressure. When there is high pressure, this sand particle get compressed and cemented together, and then sandstone is formed. How do the sandstone form then? Small particle of sand get compressed due to high pressure and get cemented together. Then sandstone are formed. Okay, did you understand how do the sandstone form then? Small particle of sand, what happened? It becomes compressed due to the high pressure and After that what happened? They get cemented together, and after that sandstones are formed. Okay. Now properties of sandstones. Sandstones are red, brown and yellow in color. Okay. Sandstones are red, brown or yellow in color. Okay. And sandstones are very popular. It is very useful for different things. It is useful for making buildings. Okay. You know very well, in Delhi there is a red fort. You know very well, in Delhi there is a red fort in Delhi. This red fort is completely made up of sandstone. Okay, means red fort is made up of what? Sandstone. Means this sandstone is very important stone for building different types of buildings, and one of the most famous building built with the help of sandstone is Red Fort in Delhi, which is very famous building in India. Okay, so now I write the properties and uses of sandstone. Okay. First point is, it is composed of sand and quartz. It is composed of what? Sand and quartz. After that, second property of sandstone is, it is red, brown or yellow in color. Color of sandstone is red, brown or yellow in color. After that, how do they form? Okay, small particle of sand compress due to high pressure and cemented together. And what happened? Then sandstone is formed. Then sandstone is formed. Okay, so these are some of the properties of sandstone. Okay, now uses of sandstone. Use of sandstone. Please note down all these points. Now I am going to write the use of sandstone. Use of sandstone. Its uses now. Okay. Sandstones are very important stone which is very useful for constructing buildings and temples. So first use is, it is useful for construction of the buildings and temple. Very famous example is Red Fort in Delhi. It is constructed with the help of sandstone. Red Fort in Delhi. with the help of sandstone. With the help of sandstone. Okay, so these are all the information about sandstone. I hope you understood this point very well. I hope you understood the point sandstone. Okay. Second type of sedimentary rock, that is limestone. After that we will see the information about shale, and last one conglomerate. Okay. So rest of the point we will see in the next video, and I hope you understood this point very well. And one more thing, do your study well and try to write all the notes which the teachers give you on the blackboard. Okay. So next point of limestone we will see in the next video. Up to that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home, and do your study well. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.